Hey guys, my name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So before we get started, today's video is brought to you by Godox South Africa. Now if you're looking at getting new lighting, audio and accessories, you could use my discount code to get 5% of your next purchase. So Godox have sent me a reflector to take a look at, and that is the 110 centimeter 5-in-1 reflector. So let's open this up and see what we have here.
The reflector folds down to 1/3 of its original size and can be stored in the storage bag. Now just a quick note, this reflector does spring open, so always ensure that you have sufficient space around you. So here we have the reversible cover, which is set to the gold and white side. And here we have the one-stop diffusion panel. Now on the other side of the cover we get the silver and black. Now while it is called a reflector, the black is used to block out unwanted reflections and light spills. Now to fold the reflector, you just twist and pull towards you. So here we have my model with just natural light, and first up we're going to be using the silver reflector. Now just a quick note, the closer you are to your subject, the more intense the light will be. And here I have it on the soft gold side, which introduces a much warmer look. And I now have it on the white side. Now the white offers a more neutral, soft reflection, which is useful for a general full light and to reduce shadows. And lastly, we have the diffusion panel. Now this decreases light by one stop. It also reduces contrast and gives you a nice soft light around your subject. Now if you are a solo shooter, then you can get yourself a reflector holder and be able to take advantage of every benefit a 5-in-1 reflector has to offer without having to struggle during a shoot.
And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.